Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I'm finally trying out the L'Oreal Air Volume Mega Mascara. So I picked this up in my recent little Ulta haul, which that video is up on my channel if you have not seen it yet. And I picked this up in the shade Blackest Black. And I'm just really excited about this because I love trying out drugstore mascaras. I will say though, I paid $13.99 for this, and that's kind of expensive because I did get it at Ulta. I saw at Walmart you can get it for $9.99. So I'm like, I paid, quick math, a high percentage more to buy this from Ulta. Although when you see my Ulta haul, you'll see that I did get a really great beauty break gift with purchase based off of the purchase that I made at Ulta. So I guess that's kind of where I can rationalize it in my head. But I love extremely volumized lashes. I want my lashes to pretty much look like I'm wearing falsies. So the claims of this seem like it's going to be something I really love. It's supposed to be, of course, very volumizing, but very lightweight and like a whipped texture. So I'm excited to see what that's like. And I love this packaging, the pink, shiny. It's very much my taste. Let's see what this wand looks like. Okay. It's like a very dense amount of bristles, kind of a larger wand, so hopefully it's not going to be too messy, but I'm thinking this is going to be promising and really able to get all of the lashes coated very well. Here you can see what that wand looks like up close. All right, so at the moment it looks like I don't have any lashes, so let's change that. Let's see how this looks on me. Ooh. Wow. Seriously, just it touching my lashes, it makes a difference of volume. And this Blackest Black color, I'm definitely seeing that. I will say though, this does not have any claims about curling the lashes, and my lashes are looking very straight, but it really does seem extremely lightweight, because I just have to gently touch the wand to my lashes and they are fully coated and looking so impressive right away. I'm excited about this. Now I'm going to go ahead and try it out on the lower lashes before I try building up those top lashes anymore. And this wand is not too messy. I'm getting like a few little flakes on my under eye here, but since it really does just gently have to touch the lashes to be applied, I don't have to like rub onto the lashes too much, causing it to get onto my under eye or my eyelid. So it's very easy to apply. I really like that. And the wand really seems to hold a lot of product. So I don't even feel like I need to dip it back in to go in and start building up another layer on the top lashes. So let's see how it goes. Yes, it's easily buildable volume. And I will say the lashes are not staying completely separated. I do prefer a fanned out lash look, but I kind of feel like this is so volumizing that the lashes are starting to stick together a bit. So it's going to be hard for me to layer up too much more because I don't want to make the lashes stick together. And that's a really common thing that happens with mascaras. So when the lashes really do stay separated, I'm always so impressed and happy to see that. I mean, after a little bit of time building up the lashes, I am really happy with how they look. It looks good. It's not the most mind-blowing, amazing mascara I've ever tried, but the lashes are volumized, dark. That curl though, I'm not seeing any curl. My lashes are just so straight out. So I always use a lash curler. I did not today because I wanted to see how the mascara was on its own, but definitely a mascara that I need to make sure to curl my lashes with before applying it. But so now I am dipping the wand back in, and let's go ahead and apply it to the other eye. I really do love this ease of applying it. Like, definitely a mascara that I will reach for my lower lash mascara, because it's so nice and dark. It really shows the lower lashes, but it's so quick and easy to apply. Just gently tap it onto those lashes, and that gives me the effect that I want for my lower lashes. It's interesting how I feel like I can tell that it is a whipped texture, because it looks less clumpy and gloopy going onto the lashes, and it kind of like spreads and blends through the lashes very easily. I also do find this to be nice and lengthening. Like, it really does stick from root to tip of the lashes. So here you can see my finished lashes. So all in all, this is a good mascara in my opinion. It's a mascara that I will continue using. I don't think it's so amazing that it's one that I'll repurchase and it's my new staple go-to mascara, just because I do like to see maybe a little bit more volume, definitely more curl, but I do like how the lashes look. I want to try like a little test because it says it's smudge proof. Yes! I'm like trying to run my finger on my lashes, and there really is no smudging, which is great to see. I feel like especially for these lower lashes, this really is a good lower lash mascara, because now I don't have to worry about getting smudging on my under eye from like smiling. A lot of times I'll get mascara on my under eye from like my cheeks rubbing up against my mascara when I smile. So if you've tried this out, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on it. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.